You think that they can smell your fear? Like, I don't know what the f I'm doing. I don't know.
Been a minute since we came.
This dress is actually really cute. Ooh. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're going to be, that was a shitty clap. Okay, today we're gonna be doing a pumpkin spice makeup look. Look at, like, if you just put a little whipped cream on my head right now, I could be a pumpkin spice latte for you if you'd like. I'm so hyped because we're using actual pumpkin spice makeup today. Like, it's just not pumpkin spice, not just the look, but we've got actual pumpkin spice makeup products today. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. It is so simple, honestly, but it's very, very, very fall appropriate. Fall doesn't really start until people get their pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin spice donuts, pumpkin spice toothpaste. I've never had a pumpkin spice latte, so I'm not a coffee person, and we're gonna try one for the first time in this video. If you want to see all this and all that, go ahead and keep on watching. If you're wondering if I'm cutting off my head on purpose, the answer is absolutely yes. Like, I didn't think to do you guys the favor of shaving this before I come on camera. I only film like once a week, like. So anyways, welcome to the easiest makeup tutorial on YouTube. Yes, I really wanted to use this palette for the look. It's on its deathbed right now. I'm not gonna lie to you and pretend like this is a super fall appropriate palette, because it's not. It's very summery. So I'm gonna take this shade Sunbathe on my bougie brush. Ooh. This is gonna be freaking easy, you guys. You have no idea. Then I'm just gonna go right into the deepness right here in the shade Sandals. I wore slippers this morning to take Kinsey to school, and it was raining. So, got some soggy ass slippers. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Ever, period. I never do that, but I was running late and you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So without giving you any spoilers this time, what are you guys thinking about American Horror Story? I'm sorry about that last time. I won't say anything. I will not say anything. But what I said was common sense, okay? First of all, the last few seconds, when she's like, we're gonna have to go back and oh, shit, I can't even tell you. My bad, I was gonna say something, but that was stupid. Okay, spoiler alert. No, I'm not gonna say anything, I swear. You don't have to skip through this. I was so shook at the end, and I'm not gonna say why. I'm not gonna say what it has to do with, but I'm just gonna say I was shook to my core, and oh, I cannot wait for next week. That's all I have to say about that. I feel like this look really needs this messy little sloppy palette. Ooh, very risky, very, very risky. It's like the dust of this shade is what I actually need. But we'll hit it with a little bit of this. This is bomb. And none of these are called Bean, by the way. What is that called? Beans? Oh, I love beans. I love me some beans. Okay, moment of silence, please. It says beam. Beam, like beaming light. I'm never gonna forget about that. A little bit messy, but it all works out in the end. That's kind of like the motto of my life. We are finally gonna go in with the pumpkin spice. I am so excited about these, you guys. I bought these 2 Halloweens ago. I'm gonna give you a little backstory really quick. I bought this limited edition set from Sugar Pill, and I got it in the mail. I was super excited about it. I put it on my kitchen table. The box had like paper and stuff in it, and Carlos threw it away. So he, you know, obviously had to buy me a new one because I'm not playing those games. I got them and I was like so scared of something happening to them that I just never used them. I know it sounds so stupid, but look how cute. They've got the little pumpkin spice latte, which I've never had a pumpkin spice latte in my existence. I hate coffee, actually. You can call me a toddler if you want, but I cannot stand coffee. The smell of it, the taste of it, none of it. I don't want any of it. Can I get a small pumpkin spice latte with almond milk? Ooh. So this is it right here from Sugar Pill. And so I'm sorry I'm gonna be using this, and even if you wanted to buy it, you couldn't. I mean, there's similar shades out there, obviously. When I said we're doing a pumpkin spice look, I said we're doing a real pumpkin spice look. We're doing pumpkin spice makeup, okay? I'm not playing. I'm just going to hit the brush with a little spritz, a little bougie spritz. I literally have like a drop left. Watch. How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? I told you. I knew it. I can never send a brush out to do the job that my finger can do. When it comes to shimmer shades, finger is king. That's just it. Finger is queen, actually. Queen. I'm actually gonna go in with the Morphe 3502. Yes, shocker. One palette that's not completely trashed, but that shade right here, there's like a conspiracy going around on Twitter that this black shade from the 3502 palette is actually exploding in the pan, like with gunpowder.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
I mean, I don't know about all that. These shades right here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the eyelids right now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my full face really quick and I'll be right back. Just a little bit more snatch now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom part of my eyes really quick. Same thing as I always do. Same shades on the bottom as the top. I'm going to be using the Araceli Beauty Leti lashes again. Leti like L-E-T-Y, like the name. And I've used these like 4 times already and they're still popping, so. Just love that when your lashes go on perfect the first time. So we are all done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lips. I'm gonna use the shade Pumpkin. We're staying very on brand today. Like we're very themed today. I forgot how much I love this shade, you guys. That adds a lot to the look. I'm just gonna top it off with this real quick. I feel like that tone is so much better now that I put that other lip topper over it. Yes. You know what? I've got a little bit of time before I have to go to work. Let's go get a pumpkin spice latte. Let's go find out what this hype is about. Because I see people like PSL for life. So let's do that. All right, let's bounce. Okay, so first things first, Starbucks is popping off. So, okay, well, f off then, I guess. What the hell are you doing? Who does that? Starbucks is popping off right now. There is a pretty good sized line. It's like noon, so I guess people get coffee in the middle of the day. I guess I'm one of them today. Do you ask for sweetener? Does it already have sweetener in it? Do I ask for pumps of sweetener? It's time.
you today?
Can I get a small pumpkin spice latte with almond milk?
Yeah, hot or ice?
Hot, please. And can I get that with 3 pumps of sweetener?
You said you wanted a tall, right?
A small.
And only 3 pumps?
Yeah. Then can I get a small pumpkin spice frappuccino? And can I get that with almond milk as well?
Do you want whipped cream on both of them still?
Actually, yeah.
I'm like this dumbass. You're getting almond milk because you don't do dairy. You're lactose intolerant, because I am. And you're still gonna get whipped cream on top. And yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. All we can do is try our best sometimes. That's it. And then she said only 3 pumps. So I'm like, does it usually come with more than 3? I just thought like 3 sound like a good number. I just threw it out there, to be honest with you.
All right, so ding, we got the goods. I didn't check to make sure my phone was charged before I decided to record on it on the way there, so it died. Let's see what all this hype is about. Well, obviously this is delicious. It's just like a really, really sweet pumpkin pie milkshake. So now for the real deal, what we've all been waiting for. It tastes like a bottle of hot water with someone's cigarette butts in it. It's disgusting. I don't like the taste of coffee. I don't like the smell of coffee. I just think it is disgusting. I love tea though. All kinds of tea. I'm a tea connoisseur. It just tastes like ashes to me, honestly. Someone's dead ashes. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what other fall looks you want to see. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.